So what is the disparity? What is the correlation? What is the relationship between amplitude and frequency? What causes amplitude? So why you could have an A chord, but yet you have another note, but it's a higher pitch. So what causes amplitude is when there's a force, and this force creates an energy that vibrates from an impact that lacks tension. Now this is a fascinating physics phenomenon. The distinction between amplitude and frequency is when a force is applied, and this force that's applied that creates an impact. This impact that creates this energy that vibrates and propagates at a minimum of 700 miles an hour. It does not derive from an already established tension. This is the disparity. This is what separates amplitude from frequency.
Propagates
when it comes to sound at, let's say, free analyze 100 plus physics analysis of sound. Now, frequency
sound is propagating.
Sound is illustrated in a two-dimensional surface.
Seconds, so the name that
but sound from a three-dimensional perspective frequency is when there's an expanding sphere that's applied to an already established tension. So we have the sound now in some syntactical that propagates at 700 miles an hour. Also applied
as amplitude
to when a force is applied to an already established tension, but the higher frequency